one interest. One interest, is that one interest is the same, right?
I'm not sure.
Or
Mm.
can you write membership on top of the circle? Membership,
Yeah.
and keep it there, membership. Membership interest remains same no matter how many years.
Okay.
And then remain the same no matter whether good year or bad year in members attending. Okay,
Okay. So you're concerned with how many members they have today versus.
so I'm concerned with the same membership exists. Their interest doesn't increase with rain or sunshine, remain the same no matter how many years. One man interest 250 years ago, as in U.S., it remains the same. Yeah, question mark. And then number two is one man interest never changed. Never changed with weather or what? With weather or how many people attended that year. In other words, one person, one member interest is the same, it never changed. Like one member is one black ball 250 years ago. 50 years ago, it's the same, and it's the same no matter what, whether rain to increase or no rain to decrease because people did not come. In other words, membership does not depend on income that year or not. Question mark. Does it make sense?
Well, you're saying if the church can survive regardless of the membership.
Wait, right. The membership never changed. So one crystal ball of 250 ago or 50 years ago is the same then and now. So not depend on share. Never depend on share. And you can just leave it there. The next ball, who controls the share? Finance.
Who controls the share and finance?
Yeah. Does the share change? The interest, financial interest on a rainy year is at 1.3, let's say. On a bad year, is it 1.4? I mean, in a bad year, is it 0.1 or 2? Question mark. but is it like a stock or bond? The interest held by a member never changes. If it's 1.0, it's 1.0. Question mark. That's the question I got.
Okay.
And
Maybe Carlton would know.
yeah, well,
He's part of the board of directors.
Carlton and June,
Yeah.
yeah. Later on, I'll tell you why. If one share held is like paper, can increase or decrease, that is not a religious organization. It becomes a shareholding interest, and religious interest is not share, but remain the same, sunshine or bad year. Okay, another zero. Question, big circle, is how many people do we have in Montana?
Okay.
And what do we call that one interest, one member interest, and not concerned with share 1.005 or 0.1 question mark 0.05 question mark. Okay, so compared to other religions, American religion, do we have extra share like financial money share, or it remains 1.0 from beginning and end, and the share remains the same, interest share 1.0? Question mark. Yeah. And another circle is who controls the flow of money, who controls the money, and what structure is there. That big circle and zero inside, question mark. Question mark. And who takes out and uses money. So that's one set of questions. You can draw a line across this way. Zero. Buddhist, Christian, I'm sure is like a crystal. It never changes in interest. One black ball crystal, when purchased, remains one black crystal. 0.10 when acquired, and even now remains 1.0 acquired, and rain or no fall, no rain, it remains 1.0, the same as when acquired many years ago or recently or today, question mark. Yeah. And how is the money being used? I mean, who controls the money? Question mark. Yeah, that I wish to know. Every religion, American religion, does not name each, let's say, one ball change with the rain or sunshine, whether it rains or not that year. Yeah. Of course, who controls the money? Question mark. Yeah, for now, that's one set of questions.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one thing. Between 1900 and 1906, a new sheet. 1906, and I'm just wondering if this thing could be pressed and this thing could be. The machine is not on here. Is it
Don't
on?
need, it's okay, I'll get the fan on over here.
Or is it on? I'm not feeling it.